Hi, today we are seeing in this video in 1 year before that stock is performing well. About that video or about that stock we are seeing in this video. That stock name is the Sumtex Fashions. Sumtex Fashions is in 1 year during period is performing well, and that stock is giving for the in 1 year 1003% is returns giving. The stock in 1 year before that share price is the 51 paisa. 51 paisa you are buying for the 20,000 shares. It becomes your investment amount is the 10,200 rupees. You are invested in 10,200 rupees in 1 year before on these stocks on some tax fashions. Now that share price is the 5 rupees 63 paisa. 5 rupees 63 paisa multiplying for the 20,000 shares, it becomes for the 1,12,600 rupees. You are imagine 1,12,000 1,12,600 rupees you are getting. Invested in 12, you are invested in 10,000 10,200 rupees invested in 1 year before on some tax fashions. For some tax fashions the stocks, now it becomes for that 1,12,600 rupees. Imagine how much times it is giving, the how much times it almost is 11 times it is giving. 11 times it is giving. Your invested amount is compounded for the 11 times in 1 year during for just 1 year during period is growing for the is company for the 11 times returns. So you are holding for the holding for the in 5 to 10 years, it becomes for the much big returns giving. So that's why in this share market is the long time returns. How much time we are holding for the stocks, and how much time do we have to wait for we have to wait for the patience to right time. That is the important, and you have to, so that is the important, and right time, wait for the right time and get big returns. This the video, and in front of videos also giving more returns about that videos are coming for in this channel. Do subscribe for this channel. And so that's why you have to learn for the share market, invest for the share market without learning, without research, without analyzing that stock. We are invested in the amount, that is the loss, when you are losing the amount. So that's why I so that's why learn for the share market, and learn for the share market, and get learn for the share market, and learn for the share market, and then invest on the stocks, and which business is going performing well, and what is the market capitalization, what is the earning percent, during before how is performing well, how is performing the stock. We have to analyze for everything, and we have to analyze for everything, and have to analyze for everything, then investment. Because without loss, without research, you're invested in the money. Because when you are losing money, because when you are losing the money, so today is the earning of money is very difficult. So that's why don't loss for money. So that is the video, and in front of it is also more returns giving about that stocks. We are about that stock marks are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and create another way of income here, and learn for the share market. In share market, so many of the richest persons also, they are also invested in the money. We have so every, and I think everyone also research, everyone also change in our future, in our futures. Because they have to learn. Because that we have to always we have to do for train our we have to do train our for our mind. Because that we have to, when you have to train for always your mind, always our mind, and the mind is perform the mind is working well and performing well, and you also and you are thinking also good. So when you are thinking also good, your decision making also good, and you also and you also learning of factors and good, what you want for you, how to what you want for you, and which is the best fix that you have to improve yourself. You have to improve, so you have to get big returns. You have to which way field you have to make more money. How you have to, when you are understanding how, when you are everything, you are understanding for everything. So that's why you have to learn about the share markets. So not only learn what you like for you, what you like to for learn. So learn for everything. So and find your passions and make business, and start your business. The passion, your passions to start for business, as it's important. Today is the businesses in the world in the big thing. So that's the start for the businesses, and and create another way of income, and create another way of income in the share market, and start a small proportion of money, just start for the small proportion of money, and big, and get for big returns, and hold for the long times returns, and do research performing well, which stocks are about the stocks, and do for research about that everything, and then invest. And that's the video. In front of it is also coming for in this channel more returns about stocks, about coming for in this channel more returns giving stocks, about that videos are coming for in this channel, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.